What is up, guys? Ivan Alcocer here, and today I have the articulated Jakks Pacific Wave 7 Tails. And there we go, I have it. And the back, it says 12 points of articulation. And the last one will be E123 Omega. And I remember you seen the unboxing video of Silver, and that was gonna be my last one, is E123 Omega. And now let's open this up. So I'm opening this up, guys, and let me take it out. Let me punch him out. Come out, Tails. There we go. Now the checkpoint. There we go. So here is Tails. He has articulation on the arms, the knees, and the shoes. And he has articulation on the hands, the tails, and his head. And the checkpoint here, like it used to come with neon knuckles. And there. And also, guys, just like I remember, I still have the one from Wave 4, and they're the exact same size. And there. Well, that was my unboxing of the Tails. Well, thanks for watching, guys. I hope you had a great day. Until I get E123 Omega, bye, and subscribe.